So today I feel a bit tired, so I thought I won't go to the gym. I'll be doing much as well. The weather's very nice today, so I thought I'd just go to the beach. Just trying to find something nearby, so let's see. Leave the beach and then go somewhere different, to a small lake. So yeah, let's go. Beautiful day today. I think the temperature hit 16 today. Very nice. On a day like this, it's really difficult to stay inside. So I couldn't stop myself not to get out. I also feel quite peckish, so I'm thinking maybe I'll stop by Greg's and grab myself a hot chocolate or something. Because since I got back from what's it called, work, I didn't really get anything. Sadly, the Greg's, also the Costa is closed. From a snacks point of view, there is a KFC nearby. Let me see if I can get something from there. I got the chicken royale, but the vegetarian version. Yeah, I got some drinks and I got some chips. So basically nothing else, just a quick light snack. Fine. What's it called? The vegan royale or vegetarian royale. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Quick snack. So done. I'm just gonna leave and make my way towards the park now. So yeah, let's go. Another 10 minutes and should be there. My favorite kind of road still, B roads. wish I had a faster car. This car is so slow, but I think on roads like this, I don't think it matters much. Obviously, having a quicker car adds more to the fun, and you get more of a buzz. But I think irrespective of the car, it's still quite nice to just drive on roads like this. My car is a 1.4 Golf, and even then, I get plenty of fun just driving down these roads. It's decent. My car is due for an oil change. I've been trying to get hold of my local garage, but for some reason they never pick up the phone. This coming weekend, I want to try to see. I might just go there and then say, look, I've got the oil, and I might just buy the oil beforehand and say, look, can you please, change my oil? Because it's due, like, in fact it's overdue. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I'm not sure what's happening here. It's always good to slow down if you're uncertain where the road is going. It's always good. Like bends, if there's an uphill, or if you're going downhill and you're not sure where the road is leading up to, then it's always good to just go a bit slow, or slower than usual, It's just safer. Yeah. According to Google Maps, not very far from my destination. So yeah, that's big L. It's a big L. I just saw the location. The location's poor. So this mission is abandoned. So I need to find a place. I need to find a suitable place to park. And then from there, I need to find an alternative place. I'm pissed. So yeah, just keep watching. Random right turn because the road here looked a bit nicer and a bit bigger. So let's see where it leads us. Man, imagine being on one of these bikes. Oof. Zoom, gone. Yeah, I have to find an alternative destination. Let's keep going for now. Let's see if there's anywhere to stop. It's nice around here. Oh, let's put a foot down on this. It's a straight road now. Oh, this is nice. Driving around trying to find a spot, man. Let's keep going. So we found an alternative location. I found an alternative location. It's a river. I didn't like going to rivers. So yeah, let us proceed. Struggling. Quite struggling. Oh, this road is poor. Oh my days. Oh man. Oh wow, this road is really nice. get back to my place now. What happened was I put in a different location. Google took me there. It was basically a river. And once I got there, Google actually misdirected me to a farm. And then a lady came out the farm with a dog. And then she said, look, this tends to happen when people put that location in. Google, for some reason, brings everyone here. You're not the first one, and you probably won't be the last one. And she said, look, you have to go back on yourself and then turn right again and drive for a few minutes to get to that location. Upon getting out of the car, I kind of realized it's kind of cold. So then I decided, you know what, that's probably enough for today. I won't be able to enjoy it fully because it's cold. So essentially, I just left that mission too and then just came back. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. One thing I've noticed is I'm having issues with the current setup again. I've made some adjustments and stuff, but I'm having some more issues. So I need to go back to the drawing room and have a think about what I can do to improve the stability of the footage and also the audio. But anyways, look, if you like my footage, if you like my videos, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. A like to this video would also be greatly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.